Looking for furnace installation and replacement in Fort Saskatchewan? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how crucial a reliable heating system is for Alberta's cold winters. Our certified furnace installers provide fast, professional service with no hidden fees, ensuring your home stays warm and energy efficient. Whether you need a new furnace installation or a high-efficiency replacement, we deliver expert craftsmanship and same-day service. As local heating specialists, we understand Fort Saskatchewan's unique climate and offer tailored energy-efficient solutions to help you reduce heating costs while maximizing comfort. For furnace installation and replacement, trust Kingstree Plumbing, your go-to HVAC experts in Fort Saskatchewan.